How's it going? My name is Raj Pillay. I'm the welding instructor at the Highlands Welding Program in our CTE department. Behind me is our welding lab where welding takes place every day. We're located at the Grand Campus at Building H. We have 2 courses in our welding program. We have an introductory Welding 100 program, which is 100 hours long, which is about 4 weeks. It'll give you 8 credits. The requirements for that is for you to be completed with your English A and B and a minimum of 50 credits completed total and a CASA score of 225 or greater. So the 100 level class is an introductory class where you will learn the 4 foundational processes for welding, which is MIG, TIG, stick, and flux core. And those 4 processes are industry standard. So in those courses, you'll be introduced to those 4, and yet there's still a potential to get welding certifications. They're introductory welding certifications we offer, and then in the more advanced class, which is Welding 200, you will have a chance to explore those same 4 processes in depth, go deeper into welding terminology, go deeper into aspects of safety, career readiness, and fabrication, shop skills, welding symbols. We go much deeper and the certifications get more challenging. So Welding 200 is a 400-hour course, meaning 4 months of training. So that's every day, Monday through Friday, periods 1, 2, and 3 for Welding 200, and that's a 33 credits available upon completion. And within those 400 hours, you will learn advanced topics and explore and attempt advanced welding certifications. So behind me again are our multi-process welding machines, and you will get hands-on experience every day with those machines, and you'll get more and more comfortable with them, switching different processes, understanding which process is applicable to which industry. We have a huge emphasis on certifications, but at the same time, we emphasize welding projects. Project-based learnings let students use hands-on projects to learn various aspects of welding and in fabrication. We improve our skills of mathematics, measurement, blueprint reading to design some ideas we may have and implement them and actually make them with metal by joining them with the various welding processes you're exposed to. We learn about welding, but also cutting, bending, and some other shop processes you're likely to see in industry. Sacramento is a hub for welding, and there's all sorts of welding jobs available locally. We want to help you find the right job. I have many connections in industry, and I would like to use them if you're interested as in a career in this very rewarding field. I myself come from industry. I have 20 years background as a welder and 10 years background as a welding inspector. So as a welding inspector, I have the authority to give welding certifications to our students in-house. And so that is a huge benefit of our program, is you get to certify with industry level certifications in welding in various processes. A lot of students are concerned with some of the tools we use in this class, which are industry standard, and maybe their confidence isn't there, but that is not a factor. Every cohort we've had a variety of students from different backgrounds, different parts of the country, and different parts of the world. And they have contributed their ideas to make it a very fun, enriching class. We have had students of all ages, genders. We've had women in each cohort that we've had in the class, and we're very proud to have a variety of backgrounds and cultures incorporated in each cohort. It's very empowering when you get your first welding certification. It's the confidence that comes with pursuing the hands-on skills that we teach you in the class. It's very beneficial to your daily lives. You can see entrepreneurial potential if you want to take your certifications, maybe invest in yourself and start a small business where you can go do repairs locally. Your certifications enable you to do that. When the student takes what I've given them, what they've learned in this class, and takes it to the next step, applying their CTE skills and obtaining a job in industry. That's the ultimate prize for me, is seeing all those steps taken and ultimately getting employment in a field that's going to give them a lot and provide for their family. So that's what we're here for, is to empower you with various skills we can apply to your life and eventually get a way of making some money coming in and obtaining a better life. So again, our minimum requirements are just English A and B with a 50 credits prior, and then a CASA score of 225. And Welding 100 is 8 credits, 100 hours. Our intermediate class, Welding 200, is 33 credits, which is 400 hours.